Hi everyone, I'm Laurie Ellison from Hudson Valley Bookkeeping. Today I'm going to teach you how to differentiate between your CAM charges and your rent inside of QuickBooks Online. All right, let's get started.
Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to break out your rental income if you are charging for CAM, also called common area maintenance, and you're trying to differentiate these. And let's say out of this 2,500 here on this profit and loss, 2,000 is actually rent and 500 is common area maintenance, which could, if you're a triple net, it could be a couple of things. It could be more than just that, but we're just going to stick with CAM this time. So I'm going to show you how this would be wrong and how to fix it. Okay, so on this invoice, we have a code apartment to 2,500, but we could consider this is just a demo file, that maybe we have a tenant and it would be a commercial, usually a commercial tenant that would be charged common area maintenance. So let me show you how you would do that. What it involves is making sure your chart of accounts is set up right, and as well as your items. So what I would first do is go over here to new, and let's set up an income code. We'll just call this retail space income. And then we would need another income for your common area maintenance. Some people do a certain amount, a flat amount with their tenants every month, and then they do a reconciliation at year end, and then other people have a complete reimbursement. But let's go into the premise that you're going to do a monthly CAM charge, and that at the end of the year, you could reconcile to what they actually owe you if they're paying a percentage on all of your maintenance on your building. Okay, so now we have set up the two chart of accounts and the income. So the next thing we would need to do is set up the items. So you go here, I click the gear icon over on the right. Now under lists, click products and services. Click new. Service is fine. Okay, so let's say this one is retail rent, and we'll say this is $2,000. Now, I like to name my items the same as my chart of accounts, because then I have an easier time. Okay, that's my item for the rent. And I said this was going to be $500. See, if I keep them in the same name, it's easy to link them. Okay, so we're going to make a new invoice the same month. I'm just going to pick anybody. I'm going to move it though to June so you can look at the difference. Let's say there's two of these. So retail space, 2,000, it came up. And there's my 2,500. Now, actually, I'll make this July so you can see the difference between June and July. This is a good thing to compare your months. Click here, display columns by, and then click months. Okay. Oh, the problem is I'm looking down here, retail space income, and this was something else. So, well, here I have 2,000 and I have my CAM up here. Whereas when I was comparing the other one, it would just say 2,500. So you're getting how the more you have things, you could put your CAM out here, because your CAM is something that it's basically a reimbursement. So now you know your real rent is here. All right, so I hope that helps you differentiate rent from CAM.